today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a deadline on a task in Todoist. We'll walk through getting into Todoist, opening the right project, selecting your task, and applying a deadline. This is quick and simple, and I'll point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect as you go. One important note up front: the deadline feature is part of Todoist's premium plans. If you don't see the option I'm about to show, your account may need an upgrade, or the feature might not be enabled in your workspace yet. First, open Todoist in your web browser or the desktop app and sign in. Once you're in, you'll see your navigation pane on the left with your projects list. Head straight to the project that contains the task you want to update. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. Opening the project will display your task list in the main view. Next, click the specific task you want to update. This opens the task details panel either on the right side or in a modal, depending on your layout. In this panel, you'll see the task title, any description, comments, and fields like due date and priority. Look for the deadline option. It may appear as a labeled field or alongside your other task fields with a calendar-style icon. Click Deadline to open the picker. Choose the date that represents the final cutoff for completing this task. If time selection is available, set a time to make the deadline more precise. Keeping deadlines realistic helps you plan your day better, so pick a day and time that matches your workload. When you confirm your choice, Todoist saves it automatically, and you'll see the deadline reflected in the task details right away. Take a quick moment to verify the deadline is visible on the task, and if your view supports it, in the project list as well. This visual cue helps you prioritize when scanning your project. If the deadline option isn't visible, make sure you're on a plan that includes it, update your app to the latest version, and check that you're in the correct workspace. You can still use a due date on any plan, but the dedicated deadline field is a premium feature designed to clearly mark the final date. That's all there is to it. Open Todoist, go to your project, select your task, and set the deadline. With this in place, your task now has a clear finish line, making it easier to plan, track, and deliver on time.